As you can see, I'm back. This time, there is no geese with the swan while she's nesting. Her mate has came back and taken charge. You know, I kind of figured he'd be back. I seen him swimming earlier, and he never came back, and it was getting dark, so I left. But as you can see, she's nesting, and he is right here beside her. Very close. Swans mate for life. It's very beautiful to watch this. It's very quiet. Birds are chirping. Ducks are swimming. It's really pretty out here. But you know, you never really see this type of stuff this close. Normally these animals are very secluse when they have their babies. This is just a good area that I just so happen to come upon, and here they both are. So it's nice to see that the geese left, because I'm sure that he was not happy if he came back and seen her with him close by. So anyways, this is part 3. I will continue to follow these swans until they do have their babies. But, you know, in the meantime, I videotape these videos for my audience who loves nature. So please subscribe to me. It's not easy coming out here and doing this. I have to go quite a distance to come here, so it's really worth my while. But seeing this beauty of mother and father just waiting for that day to come. For now, bye-bye. Please subscribe. One more shot of where they live. You know, this is beautiful. They live right here by a creek. They got a house across the street. Public's not too far off, but they got the perfect spot to have their babies. And I just want to say, it sure is nice to be alive today. Bye.